I gave you my heart.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Kyla and today I'm going to be unboxing the Boxyluxe for September 2019. So, before we get started, I just wanted to say that Boxycharm is $21 a month. It is a beauty subscription where you will receive 4 to 5 full-size products based on your profile quiz, and you will always get a value of $100 or more. And then you can upgrade to the Boxyluxe for an additional $28.99 a month. Every 3 months, sorry about that. And you will receive 8 to 10 full-size products based on your profile quiz, and your box will have a value at $300 or more. So before we get started into the box, I do have a confession to make. I did open it and I took a peek. I was going to film this video last night, but I decided to take a night to think about how I wanted to do this video. Because as you guys know from my spoiler videos, I had made many comments about, you know, you can get this one or this one, and that Boxycharm sent out emails about, you know, which one would you want, this one or this one, and I was saying, you know, I chose this one, I can't wait for my box to come because I chose this one. Well, they did not go based on what I chose in that email. I got, I think, one thing that I had chose between in that email. And I'm just questioning why. Why send out that email if you're not going to go based on that email and what people have chosen in that email, asking which one would you like, which one would you rather have, if you're not going to send that. So anyways, that's my little rant. I thought about how I was going to do this video. I'm really glad I didn't do it last night because I was really disappointed. I was like, you know, what the heck, Boxycharm? Why did you do this if you weren't going to follow that email? But then I took a step back and I remembered that I pay $50 every 3 months. And the value that comes in this box is always far beyond what I paid for it. And I'm happy with the products I got. It's just, why get somebody so excited about getting a certain product that they want, thinking they're going to get that product when in reality they're not. So that's my little rant for Boxycharm. Now let's get into this extremely humongous, huge box. When you open it up, that's what it says. Boxycharm, and the little paper on top. I got variation 5L. And when you open it up, that's what it looks like. Very nicely packed, I gotta say. Definitely good. So since this is just gonna come flying out of the box, let's just start with it. I did get the Violet Voss Essentials palette. Super excited. Very glad I got this one. I wanted this one. This one is a value of $29. It comes with a little plastic protector. And those are the shades. So let's do a couple of swatches. I really like this one. I really like this one. And this one. And this one. So I'm swatching gold, emerald, pink, and plumberry. I swatched them in an odd place. So we have emerald, gold, pink, and plumberry. So very nicely pigmented. They blend out really, really nicely. And of course, you know, I've just heard a lot of great things about this palette. Also, I did want to show you really quick. When I blended those out, you can kind of tell that the plumberry is going to stain a little bit. And maybe the emerald. Alrighty, so there is the Violet Voss palette. I cannot wait to play around with this. So that was a good one. What else do we got? So I got Big bubble wrap. That's another plus. Let's see. Oh. Aw, they don't pop. They just go into each other. Let's see if we can do it like this. Oh, yes. Love bubble wrap. Another thing I'm super excited about that came in my box that I did pick from that email is the Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette. This packaging is just outstandingly stunning. It's amazing. I cannot believe this palette. I tell you guys what, this makes me feel so fancy. So when you take it out, it comes out with a cardboard on top. And there is the palette. Like, you guys, this is really thick and hard. And then there is the back. It's really shiny. And then when you open it up, it does come with a plastic protector. And there is, oh, the lighting's gonna be terrible here. There is the palette. Sorry, my area is a little messy right now because I've just gotten boxes and boxes coming in. I opened my my Birchbox already. Leave a comment down below if you guys want to see that box. Also, I'd like you guys to leave a comment down below if you would rather me open the subscription boxes that I get, try the products, then show you guys what I got in the box so that way they're already reviewed. Or do you want me to wait and open the box on camera so it's a surprise for everyone? Let me know down below. So, this one's really nice. I guess I could swatch a few of these too. We'll go in with Crown and Carrot and Halo. We'll swatch on the back of my hand. This is Crown. Oh, you can't really. Oh. This is Crown, Carrot, and Halo. That will be so fun to play around with. I love contouring. I love everything about contouring. It's amazing, and I'm so glad I found out about contouring because it is just so fun. So also, if you guys would like to see a video about how I contour my face, sound off down below. Okay, so there is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette, and this is a value of $45. It's so pretty. So there's that, and then more bubble wrap. So exciting. Let's go with this one. This is a base product that came in everybody's box. This is by Dr. Brandt. Love, love, love Dr. Brandt. This is the Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. And this retails for $52. This is why I love getting Boxycharm and Boxyluxe, because you don't pay much, but you get all the high-end products that you wish you could buy, but are just too expensive to buy, really. So this is what it looks like. They have two different types of packaging. They have this one, and then they have the round, like, container. I can't wait to try this out. See, this is why I'm wondering whether or not I should be opening my boxes first and then showing you guys what I got, because it would have been nice to be able to tell you guys how this works. I'm going to put a little bit on here just to see the smell and the texture of it. So I got right there. Oh, wow, that smells nice. Oh, yeah, that'll be so relaxing when you're sleeping. That smells so wonderful. And it soaks into your skin really quickly. That's nice. I like that a lot. Okay, and then another base box item is this. This is the IGK Mistress Hydrating Balm, and this retails for $29. It just smells like, I don't know, I guess like regular hair product. That smells really nice. That'll be so nice. I have so much hair. I just left it up today. It's just having a mind of its own today, so it's going to just stay up there until it decides it wants to work with me. Okay, so this is when we get down to where I'm kind of disappointed. Which, honestly, can't be too disappointed because, well, really, prices don't mean that much to me. Like, the product that I got instead of what I wanted is a higher price tag, but it's not what I wanted. I wanted the other one. So I did get the Sunday Riley Tidal Moisturizing Cream, Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. This retails for $65, and I was so excited to get that pineapple serum. The pineapple was so cute and adorable. Please leave a comment down below if you got it and how you liked it and your experience with it, because I am so sad that I didn't get it. So it's on top of the lid right there. It's filled all the way to the top. I'm just so, I mean, of course, Sunday Riley. I love Sunday Riley. They're a very great company. They have great products. And this doesn't smell like anything. But I really wanted a pineapple. It had nothing to do with the product, really. I just wanted the pineapple. The container it came in is all I was really excited about. I don't care about the price tag. I just wanted a pineapple. Is that too much to ask? Okay, so yeah, there's the Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream that retails for $65. And it's a great product. I love Sunday Riley. I'll use it. I'm sure it will work great. But you know my take on that. I wanted the pineapple. Okay, so another base product is, where is it? The Hank and Henry Blickety Black Eyeliner. So I did get the eyeliner in black. And this retails for, Boxycharm is saying this retails for $20. But on Hank and Henry's website, it says it retails for $17. They sell it for $17. So I'm not quite sure why on here it says it's MSRP $20 right there, if on their website it says 17. So, like, not a big deal or anything. It's just kind of confusing. Like, why are you saying it's $2 more or $3 more than what it really sells for? Anyways, I'm not going to swatch this. I have like 10,000 million kajillion black liquid eyeliners. So this will be going into the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, which we're not that far away. Also, today is the, where's my phone? Today is the 11th, so I will be announcing the winner of the 500 subscriber giveaway on the 15th. So be sure to stay tuned to that. Be sure to go and enter on the Boxyluxe video. You guys have to comment on that video because I have to do a comment picker, and I can't enter multiple videos into the comment picker. I can only put one URL. So be sure to comment on that Boxyluxe video. I will put a card up here that will take you to that video. So, giveaway. Now, for the final product that I am so most disappointed in, I was so excited to get the other product, the other variation. It is the Sutra Beauty Curling Iron. This is the Sutra Clipless Curling Iron with cool tip, and it retails for $65. I wanted the Moda brush set so bad. I have so many Moda brushes already. It was just going to go perfectly into my collection. They're beautiful. I've heard such great things about them. They're so soft. They work so well. I wanted that pencil detailing brush so bad. The smudger for underneath my lines. The waterline right here. I wanted it so bad. I was so excited for it. I'm almost wondering if my box got mixed up with somebody else's, and kind of debating on whether or not I should email Boxycharm just to check. But as of right now, this curling iron is going into the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So, stay tuned for the rules on that and how to enter into that. We're still kind of far away from there. So I believe I'm at like 686 subscribers right now. But once we hit 1,000, this and the Henry liner will be in the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And I mean, of course, there's going to be so much more entered into that, or put into that giveaway, because it's the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. That's a huge milestone. So that's going to be a big blowout giveaway. I will have to decide whether or not there's going to be 1 or 2 winners. And anyways, that is... Oh, that is not the end of my box. There's another base product that everybody got, the reason why I'm not wearing lipstick. And that is the Stila liquid lipstick. Where Are You? Stay All Day liquid lipstick for $22. And I got mine in the shade Patina Shimmer, which I was kind of hoping I would get this one. So I'm going to pop that on my lips right now so you guys can see it. I've heard such great things about Stila. I still don't own any of their liquid eyeshadows, which everybody just raves about. But here's the packaging. Stila and Patina. I'm going to swatch it for you guys on my hand so you can see like the pigmentation stuff. Here's the doe foot applicator. It's kind of like bendy. Wow, that's such an amazing color. There it is on my hand. Where is my mirror? Oh, wow. Wow, it barely feels like you're even wearing anything on your lips. That is amazing. It dries down really quickly. Now, I'm about to go to work soon, so we will see if it stays all day. Alrighty, so I have already totaled everything up. The total of my box came to $327, I believe. Where is it? I'm so sorry. 1 second. Like I said, I don't edit my videos. So yes, the total of the box came to $327. So that's $27 over the price they say it will total over. So they weren't wrong there. I mean, I got 2 new palettes, a new lipstick, hair product, a face product, a hair product that I'm not so happy about, you know, an eyeliner. I got everything you could want in a box, I guess. And the box is huge. And I'm questioning why they sent that email out. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video because it helps me out. And I will see you guys. Nope, I have one more thing to say. I'm sorry. I'm about to put up another spoiler video for October's Boxycharm. And for people who stayed to the end of my video, you guys get to know that coming up in this next Boxycharm in October, we have a huge surprise coming. And I'm really hoping you guys will be able to see this on my phone. Come on. Work. There we go, a little bit. Natasha Denona. We will be getting one of these. One of these 6 palettes in our next Boxycharm. So we will be getting Dose of Colors eyeshadow palettes. And there was one more spoiler, which you guys will have to wait to see until the spoiler video comes out. How about that? Alright, you guys, I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.